Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming the game is fully updated and your saves are safe. Once done, open Hinokami Chronicles and select menu right arrow options. You're not waiting any longer. Navigate directly to the language or audio/display tab. This first step matters because some consoles and PC builds only expose language options inside the game, while others follow system settings. Make sure you note whether the option lists UI, subtitles, and voice separately so you can adjust each one precisely. Now change each language field, UI, subtitles, and voice, because many players want Japanese voices with English text or vice versa. You'll select the target language and press apply. If the game prompts to download language data, allow it to complete. For PC players, if the in-game menu lacks an option, switch the game's language inside Steam or your launcher, then restart. On consoles, you might need to toggle system language in settings. Do that only if the game respects console-level language. Finish by restarting Hinokami Chronicles and testing UI, menus, and a short cutscene to confirm changes. If the language didn't update, make sure the game version matches the language pack and that your console or PC regional settings aren't overriding it. Once verified, run a file integrity check or clear the cache. If that fails, reinstall or redownload the language content. One key troubleshooting tip: if voices or subtitles still show wrong text, toggle between languages and restart twice. This forces the engine to reload language assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.